Hello, everybody. Welcome to a new story. I'm your storyteller. Today's story is about letter B. B? Yes. This story is about a boy, boy. Boy named Bala. Bala was a bad boy. Why he was bad? Because he never listens to his mama. And he was very lazy and untidy. Don't like to brush his teeth and never takes bath. See his hair, his clothes, his face and body. Everything is dirty. They're all dirt all over him. He don't like to take bath. Never listens to his mama. You know what did Bala like? Ba- you know what did Bala like? Bala does not eat veggies and good food. He likes junk food. Junk food is bad food. Bad food. So what he like to eat? B for burgers. Not one but many burgers. And fries. So his mama always used to tell him, Bala, this is bad. You won't grow, you won't have fit muscles if you will eat such burgers and junk food. So, no, these are not good for health. But Nepala never listens to his mama. He liked to eat junk food and he was very messy because he used to keep his room dirty. He used to throw his books, his toys, everything all over the room. His room was so messy. He used to throw all his things all over the room. His books, his toys, everything all over the bed. And what he likes? He likes to sleep on his bed. Bala was so lazy. He always liked to sleep on his bed. Bed. Before bed. His mama used to tell, Bala, get up, go outside and play. Bala, study for some time. But Bala never listens. He don't like to do his homework. His mama was very tired of him. She always used to tell Bala, Bala, this is not good. Bala, don't do this. But Bala will say, Mama, I will do it later. Mama, I don't like this. Mama, I don't want to eat this. Mama was very tired. She always tried to teach Bala that what is good and what is bad. But Bala सुनता ही नहीं था. वो सिर्फ अपने मन की करता था. अपने पूरी कपड़ों को देखो कितना गंदा रखा हुआ है. बाल भी अनटाइडी है. रूम भी अनटाइडी है. But one day what happened? What happened? Bala fell ill. Yes, he had fever, high fever and stomachache. Bala was very sad, very down. So his mama took Bala to the doctor. And doctor saw that there were many germs inside Bala's body. Germs कहाँ से आए? क्योंकि बाला अपने को गंदा रखता था. He never used to keep himself clean. तो डॉक्टर ने उसे बहुत सारी सुई लगाई, इंजेक्शंस लगाए, बहुत सारी दवाई दी. बाला was so tired. He was very upset क्योंकि उसको बहुत दर्द हुआ. वो कई दिन तक हॉस्पिटल में रहा. Then बाला realized कि उसकी मम्मा सही कहती थी और बाला गलत कर रहा था. डॉक्टर ने भी बाला को समझाया. Then Bala understood and he became a good boy. You know how he became a good boy and why he became a good boy? Yes, now I will tell you. Now, Bala didn't used to lay on his bed all day. Bala get up early in the morning and used to take a shower and bath. He has his favorite blue bucket and he used to brush his teeth nicely. So Bala used to take a good shower. He used to bathe daily. Bathe. B for brush and B for bucket and B for blue bucket. Then you know what happened? How did Bala look now? See. Now Bala looks so good. He looks so tidy. His hairs are tidy. His face is clean. His uniform is so clean. His shoes are tidy and shiny. Now Bala looks like a good boy. He is clean and tidy. Now Bala obeys what his mama says. Bala, are you ready for breakfast? Yes, Mama, I am ready. Mama said, there's a basket of bananas on the table. Bala have some bananas. Now, Bala used to have bananas. And what did his mother give? Mama gave bread and butter. B for bread, B for butter. Bala had his breakfast. B for breakfast. Ting, 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 ting. Oh, what's there? Ting, 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 beep, 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 beep. Oh, Bala, school bus is there. Bala, hurry up. Bala, take your bag and bottle. Yes, Mama. So Bala took his bag and bottle and hurried to the bus because he don't want to get late for his school. So Bala went to school. The school bell rang. Ting, 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 ting. It's time for school prayer. So Bala is now a good boy. Bala's ma'am gave him the lesson to read from his book, B for book, and Bala read it very nicely. So his ma'am gave him balloons. Bala got balloon in prize, B for balloon. Can you tell me the colors of the balloon? This is red balloon, purple and green. Okay, you have done it nicely. So Bala took the balloon and went back home. But you know what he saw on the way? He saw a boat sailing in the river. On his way back home, there was a river where he saw a boat sailing. B for boat. Then Bala went home and he had a box. क्योंकि वो सामान फेंकता था, उसकी मम्मा ने उसके टॉयज बॉक्स में रख दी थे. B for box. He took out bat and ball from his box and went to play. He went to play कहाँ? Park. He went to the park after a very long time. पहले बाला घर में सिर्फ सोता रहता था. But now he realized कि play is also essential. खेलना भी ज़रूरी है, पढ़ना भी. तो he took his bat and ball and went to a park. Oh, when Bala went to park, he realized that park is so beautiful. There are so many flowers, birds, and what's this? What's this sound? Oh, this is bee, honey bee. This is B for bee. This sound was किसका था? Bee. Bala is searching something. What did Bala want to see? Oh, there's a butterfly in the garden. Bala loves butterfly. B for butterfly. Because butterflies are so colorful and Bala likes to see butterflies. So Bala was so happy because today he saw so many flowers, colorful, bee, butterfly and birds. B for birds, B for bee and B for butterfly, and also the boat. So Bala is very happy today. Now he has understood कि साफ रहना, clean रहना बहुत important है. And we have to study also and play also. And मम्मा की बात हमेशा मानते हैं. So Bala wants to tell you something. Dear friends, always follow what mama is saying because mama wants you to be good and successful. Always keep yourself clean and tidy and study well and play also. I like to play bat and ball. What you like to play? And I like to see butterflies. Bye for now. We'll meet you soon. Bye from my side. Bye. B for bye. Bye. So now we should once again revise what we have seen today with letter B. B for boy. B for bee. B for butterfly. Then what else? B for bread and butter, B for brush, B for bucket, B for balloon, B for bus, B for bat, B for ball, B for boat, boat, B for burger, B for bag and bottle, B for books and B for box, B for bell, B for what else? Basket and B for bananas, B for bed and B for bath. So we have seen so many things with letter B. So do revise what you have seen today and don't be Bala, the bad boy. Be a good boy or good girl. Okay, so if you like this story, do give me a thumbs up and share this story with your friends and family. So bye kids. Take care. See ya.